I'm Brittany, and welcome to our third and final Craft a Christmas video for this year. We hope you've enjoyed all of these videos, and we really hope that you will give this one a try. Today, we are going to be talking about Christmas cards. Something fun to get in the mail, but sometimes can be a little annoying to send. And we're going to talk a little bit about how you can make your own personalized homemade card with simply some paper cutouts, cardstock, and a thumbtack. Now, if you don't feel comfortable using a thumbtack, you can always sharpen a number 2 pencil and use that, or you can use a slightly sharpened bamboo skewer, just something with a slightly pointed end. You're also going to need something to bear down on, maybe like I'm using the cardboard back of this small notebook, something like that, or maybe a cork board. So what we're going to make is called pinprick cards, and this is one that I finished earlier. It is in a candy cane because it is the season. So basically what you do is you cut your cardstock into a rectangle shape because you're going to fold that eventually to make your card. And then you're going to pick an image. I printed out a Christmas tree, I printed out a candy cane, but the one that I'm currently working on is a Christmas star. And then what you want to do is tape the image to the inside of your card. Then you're going to lay it down, and using your sharpened object, just follow the outline of the card and prick little holes in there, just like this. And while I am finishing up this card right here, let's talk a little bit about the history of the Christmas card. So like a lot of things we have talked about over these videos, the Christmas card is actually quite Victorian in nature. Now, over in England, it was very common for people to send New Year's or Christmas letters. However, those could be very tiresome, as that was a lot of information to write, especially if you had a lot of people to write through. Might even start to get some hand cramps. That's when one man decided maybe it would be best if I just sent a generalized card with a nice picture on it, wishing Christmas and New Year's greetings. And thus, over in England, the Christmas card was born. These small postcards had spaces that you could write who they were for, who they were from, and often depicted fun winter pictures. It really started to become popular in the United States around the later half of the 19th century, the 1870s. That's when more commercialized Christmas cards started to appear in stores. And these cards were not just popular with people who had the time and the money, but also with people who were a little bit poor or were working class. Part of the reason it was popular was it was fairly inexpensive. Like I said, these cards were smaller and they could be easier sent by post. But people also made homemade cards as well, with paper that they had around the house. And I am just about finished with my card here. And today the Christmas card tradition continues. And today we may send digital Christmas cards, or we may get to design our own Christmas cards and print them off at home. All right, so once you have finished tracing your outline with your pen, your pencil, whatever object you're using, you'll want to remove the image from the back, from the inside of your card, very carefully. You have taped it down. And there you go. And this is the outside of your card with your pretty design on there. And then on the inside, you can write whatever Christmas note you would like. Or these are fun to send any time of year, just with different designs on the outside. You can even do different colored cardstock if you want to play with it a little bit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give this craft a try at home. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.